Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, this is day one of our KLX DRZ400 adventure into the desert towards Utah. We ended up, Beaver Wash area, the Mormon Hills, but this map shows us basically departing the Temecula area, riding towards Palomar Mountain, then down to Palm Desert, and then miles and miles of deep sand on a trail that are a wash basically that runs by Eagle Mountain Railroad Trestle. That eventually dumps you out at Desert Center. And then we're back on the pavement again to the BLM campgrounds just east of Vidal Junction or close to Parker there. Okay, here we go. I think here we're just east of Temecula. I'm having to do a voiceover because, GoPros. Yeah, I had a mic issue obviously this entire first day. I probably wasn't talking too much anyway. It was kind of chilly and kind of cold. We were using the intercom and talking back and forth, so not really something that, well, it might have been entertaining. I don't know, but not really something we wanted to put on the on YouTube. Yeah, so here we're eastbound, east side of Temecula, going through all the ranches. We're gonna eventually come up on Anza Borrega, or Anza actually, and then we'll head down what some of the sport bikers call 7-layer mountain or hill down into Palm Desert. The DRZs, mine's a KLX, but they perform, basically flawlessly. The only complaint either one of us had was with the seat concept seat, which was way better than the comfort seat we had, or the stock seat obviously, but they kind of tried to make a saddle, and I think they could have left, you'll see later in the video, they could have left this rear of the seat flat instead of making like a cup, right, for a place for a passenger to sit, because I mean, really, is someone going to have a passenger on a bike like this when they're traveling? Probably not. But yeah, so I also, sent them an email, and their response is listed a little bit later in the video. It basically ended up as a, sorry, can't help you, but yeah, I was surprised with that. I mean, I just expected more, I guess. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna speed the video up a little bit here and maybe add some music, and eventually we're gonna make it down to Rice Road, which leads to Vidal Junction, and through the magic of GoPro cameras once again, none of the footage in the deep sand or on the dirt actually worked. It was all corrupt. I don't know if it's all the crashing. I figured an adventure cam like this could handle a few shock loads now and then, but apparently not. Maybe it was just enough to jiggle the SD card around in there, and it corrupted the files. I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll talk to you a little bit more towards the end of the video. Ugh.
I get a little bit of that ridge on the seat.
In your butt?
Back of my butt.
Me too.
It's starting to get sore. I wish I would have moved that back a little.
Or not even put it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this should all be just flat.
I don't like this.
I'm gonna send them an email about that.
I wonder if they could flatten it out. It's in the wrong spot.
In the wrong spot, indeed. My buddy that I went on the trip with, Chris, we're looking into finding a local upholsterer that can possibly remedy that. I really think that seat would be perfect for long rides if it was just flat, right? No point in putting that cup saddle / passenger area back there. And honestly, it would be the perfect seat, because other than that ridge and not being able to slide back and sit there occasionally, the seat was perfect. The density of the foam, the support, everything was right. For me, it was right where it needed to be. So hopefully, yeah, we could get that squared away. I wasn't surprised that there was really no offer to help in any way. But that's how it goes. Okay, it's the spot we found of the BLM land, just west of Parker. There's a wash behind us over there, but this area was pretty flat, mostly rocky free. Yeah, we have LEDs behind our tank so we can light them up at night. Pretty funny. The things you do, right? The chair. Yeah. My friend lost his chair, so the next day was spent finding a chair for him. We had a Kit Fox, little tiny guy, probably 3 pounds. I don't know if that's full size or if that was just a pup or a kitten. But he hung around for a little while, and that was pretty much it. After that, we just signed off.
Target locked. Enemy vehicle destroyed.